Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll share you how to make this exercise, and it is C support. Well, this is the dimension for this part. Then let's make a modeling part now. From the Solidworks interface, let's make the sketch from top plane. Make it normal too. Then click sector rectangle. Then start from this point and click the smart dimension and change for this vertical to 56 millimeter. And this for 50 millimeter. Click done, then click offset entities. Make sure set a value to 10 millimeter, then click to this line, then OK. Well, let's give the thickness by click of feeder, then extrude was. Set the value to 16 millimeter, and then click to this sketch. Click OK, and then click to this toggle and click to this sketch tool. Click extrude was. Then change the value to 100. Zoom out. Make sure the arrow is above from this side's body. For the next step, click to the surface and click on normal tool. Click the sketch. Click this line. Click to this point and connect to the other. Right click and click select. Let's change this distance for this to 70 millimeter. Then click this line and make it for construction. Connect from this point. Right click and click select. Then click to the circle. Then change this diameter to 19 millimeter. Give the distance from this point to this sides from this body, and it is 35 millimeter. Well, for the next step, click to this circle and set the value to the meter for 30 millimeter. Then click to this line, right click and select, and then I want to tighten this line by click the control and hold, then click to the circle and make it for tighten option, and then delete the unnecessary line. Make sure for trim is selected. For the next step, click to this point and click to this sides and make it coincident. Then OK. Well, click trim. Let's delete this one. Then OK. Click on feathers. Then give the extrude wash and the thickness to 13 millimeter. But change the arrow by click this one. So the preview is inside the body, then OK. Press the Ctrl 7 combination in this keyboard to change the isometric view, and then click the right plane and make it normal too. For the next step, click the sketch and click line. Well, change this distance. It is 13 millimeter. And then give the thickness by click of feathers. Then extrude wash. Change this direction to mid plane and set the value to 10 millimeter. Then click done from this modify box. Well, you can see the product will like this, and there are the notes that the fillets are 6 for radius. You can click a fillet from this icon and set the 6 millimeter, then click to this edge. OK. Well, honestly, you can change this edge to 6 millimeter for fillets, but for this modeling and I want to change to 3 millimeter. This is the optional option you can follow or not. For the final product or this part, and I want to change the color by click this edit appearance. Well, from this toggle, and I want to click the pastel option, then I want to change to this color, then okay. This part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. Then see you next time.